This is the place you'll want to call home. Situated on a very usable 2.65-acre lot, this low-maintenance vinyl-sided home has lots of fresh improvements and is move-in ready. New modern flooring, wood-burning stove, bath fixtures, Anderson thermal windows, decking, terraced backyard, new appliances, door hardware and fresh paint throughout are just a few of the updates you'll appreciate. Main level offers master ensuite, plus 2 add TL bedrooms, and lower level is perfect for growing family finished bedroom, full bath, and add TL could be bedroom or office. Cool nights beckon you to enjoy the private backyard and fire pit area. Lovely, manageable landscaping freshly done, but no grass to cut. Ample parking and graded, gravel driveway. The 12 by 10 story